Good morning, everyone. This question is on the application of the sine rule. So the question reads, in the figure below, O is the center of the circle and ABC is a triangle with AB equal to 5, AC is 7, and BC is 6 centimeters. And angle ACB is 30, so find the area of the shaded region. The question is 3 marks. So we have the diagram here. So just as we've been told, at this point we have 30 degrees, that is angle ACB. And then we're also told that AB is 5, so AB is this side, 5 centimeters. And then AC is 7, AC is this length here, so we have 7 centimeters. And then BC, we're told, is 6 centimeters. So right here, 6 centimeters. Now, I want us to label these sides in terms of A, B, and C, so that it makes it easier for us to use the sine rule. So this side opposite to angle C, we label C, so that is side C. And then the side which is opposite angle B, that is this side, we label it B. I hope that is visible enough. And then the side opposite angle A, this side is A. So applying sine rule, we'll say, beginning with A, side A over the sine of angle A should be equal to side B all over the sine of angle B, and that should be equal to side C all over the sine of angle C. All these should be equal to twice the radius of the circle that circumscribes the triangle ABC. So here we already have this angle 30 and the side C, which is 5, so we'll just use one of them. Because these other ones are not provided, we just use the one for C. So C, we are told, is 5 all over angle C is 30, so we have sine 30, and that should be equated to twice R. Multiplying both sides by a half, that is so that we're able to determine the value of R. So 2 by 2 cancels, so that we have R is equal to, so the left hand side here when worked out should give us 5. So R is 5 centimeters. That is the radius of this circle. This is where we have R. So the size is 5. With that radius, we can therefore get the area of the shaded part, which is obtained as the area of the entire circle minus the area of the triangle. So the area of the circle, so let's get the area of the shaded part. We take the area of the entire circle, which is given as pi r squared, so 22 over 7 times the radius squared, that is 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. Then this giving us the area of the circle, we'll have to subtract the area of the triangle. You can use Hero's formula, or you can also use the sine formula. So I'm going to use sine formula here. So we have a half times the product of the two sides, that is AB, which are 6 times 7. So 6 times 7 is 42, times sine of the included angle. So the included angle here, that is between the sides A and B, is 30 degrees. So when we work out this first part, we are going to get 78.5714. And then this other part worked out is 10.5. And then getting the difference, we will end up with 68.0714 square centimeters. And that is the area of the shaded part in this diagram here. So with that, we mark the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.